Okay, so let's try this example naman. No? Find the location of the vertex of the hyperbola given the general equation. Okay? So, kaya po natin itong solvein manually. Kukunin mo lang ulit yung standard. Kunin mo yung A, kunin mo yung B, kunin mo yung C, makukuha mo yung vertex. Okay? Pero tatandaan natin, ang vertex po, dinadaanan ng hyperbola. Kagaya po sa analytic 1, it should satisfy this equation. Kaya gamit yung choices, gagamit ka lang po ng calc using the choices. Okay? Calc using the choices. Okay? So, kunin po natin si calcu. Magka-calc lang tayo. Let's try letter A. Okay? So, sa letter A po natin, type lang natin si general equation, no? 16x squared, okay po? Minus 9y squared plus 32x, okay? Plus 36y minus 36. Huwag po natin isama si 0, no? Dapat nga po mag-0 yan. So, let's try letter A. Calc, when x is 3, try natin parehas yan. 3, and y is negative 1. Negative 1. Okay? So, hindi na po nag-0. Huwag na natin i-try yung pangalawa kasi mali na yung letter A. So, calc again. Huwag nyo na pong i-retype. Calc lang. Now, let's try letter B. X is negative 3 naman. Y is 1. Okay? 39, so mali na po yung B. Ulitin ko, kaya po tayo nagka-calc. Ang vertex po, dinadaanan ng hyperbola. Kaya it should satisfy the equation. Letter C naman, 4, then negative 1. Negative 1. Okay, so mali na rin yung letter C. So, obviously, hindi ang sagot dyan. Pero to make it sure, let's try. D is negative 2 and positive 2. 0 po yan. I-try pa rin natin yung isa. Calc again. 0 and then positive 2. Na-satisfy niya. Kaya the answer is obviously letter D. Ganun lang po ang gagawin pag ang tinanong ay vertex. Or vice versa. Given ang vertex, tinatanong ang equation. Use that. Okay?